Learn Hindi fast. Here, there, home and office in English in
Hindi.
Welcome to the great lost and found day. Hey, you are in the right place, and yes, your Hindi lesson has officially arrived. Today you will learn useful Hindi phrases by surviving a slightly chaotic, very funny day. It begins with a dramatic voice in your head, stay calm. Breathe, maybe drink chai. You open the door and proudly announce,
मैं यहाँ हूँ.
that means, I am here. Excellent start. You exist, you are present, and already you sound impressive. Then you look across the hall and point at your friend standing suspiciously near a snack table. You say,
तुम वहाँ हो.
you are there. Very useful when someone is technically helping, but only from far away. Now a mystery begins. You knock on one door. Someone whispers,
क्या आप यहाँ हैं?
are you here? A fair question. In this chapter, everybody is apparently hiding from everybody else. Home, office, and other famous human habitats. Now you will learn how to say where people are. Think of this as language learning mixed with detective work. You call Ravi. No answer. You call again. Finally the neighbor shrugs and says,
वो घर पर हैं.
he is at home. So the search party was unnecessary. Classic Ravi. Then you ask about Mira. The receptionist adjusts her glasses like this is a very serious film and says,
वो दफ्तर में हैं.
she is in the office. Of course she is. She is probably answering emails that should have been messages. Later, someone asks about the whole family. You check the calendar, the weather, and the vibe, then say,
आज वे घर पर हैं.
today they are at home. Which usually means snacks are nearby. The weather has opinions. Language gets easier when you can complain about the weather. Humanity has trained for this moment for centuries. You step outside in brave fashion wearing confidence instead of a jacket. Huge mistake. The wind slaps you politely but firmly. You whisper,
ठंड है.
it is cold. You say it again with more emotion.
ठंड है.
Suddenly everyone understands you, because cold is an international personality trait. If T had a microphone, it would also say,
ठंड है.
tired, late, and still somehow optimistic. This section is for real life, long days, low battery, and friends who believe clocks are decorative. After climbing stairs, searching rooms, and discussing weather like professionals, your group collapses onto a sofa. Together you say,
हम थके हुए हैं.
we are tired. Not a little tired, legendary tired. Then your late friend rushes in with dramatic energy and absolutely no apology. You look at the clock, then at the friend, then back at the clock for emotional support, and say,
तुम देर से हो.
you are late. The clock nods in agreement. If you want a mini review, listen to the contrast.
मैं यहाँ हूँ.
Means I am here, but
तुम देर से हो.
means you are late. Presence is good. Punctual presence is even better. Mini dialogue theater. Repeat these little scenes aloud. Make them dramatic if you want. Honestly, that helps. Scene 1. A. Where are you? B.
मैं यहाँ हूँ.
Scene 2. A. Are you here? B.
क्या आप यहाँ हैं?
Then someone answers, yes.
मैं यहाँ हूँ.
Scene 3. A. Where is he? B.
वो घर पर हैं.
Scene 4. A. Where is she? B.
वो दफ्तर में हैं.
Scene 5. A. How is the weather? B.
ठंड है.
Scene 6. A. How do we feel after all this? B.
हम थके हुए हैं.
Scene 7. A. Why did you miss the beginning? B. Awkward silence. A.
तुम देर से हो.
Scene 8. A. Where are they today? B.
आज वे घर पर हैं.
Quick recall challenge. Now it is your turn. I say it in English in your mind, and you try the Hindi out loud. No pressure. Okay, a tiny bit of pressure. I am here.
मैं यहाँ हूँ.
You are there.
तुम वहाँ हो.
He is at home.
वो घर पर हैं.
She is in the office.
वो दफ्तर में है।
It is cold.
ठंड है।
We are tired.
हम थके हुए हैं।
You are late.
तुम देर से हो।
Today they are at home.
आज वे घर पर हैं।
Are you here?
क्या आप यहाँ हैं?
A friendly finish. You did really well today. Yes, even if you said one phrase with the confidence of a confused potato. Let's close with one last cheerful review.
मैं यहाँ हूँ। तुम वहाँ हो। वो घर पर हैं। वो दफ्तर में हैं। ठंड है। हम थके हुए हैं। तुम देर से हो। आज वे घर पर हैं। क्या आप यहाँ हैं?
Thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases tomorrow, and enjoy your Hindi journey one funny sentence at a time.